The first thing I'm going to teach you is how to upload a document to Speechify on an iPhone device. To upload a document to Speechify, the first thing I'm going to do is open the app and click on the import button over here in the bottom. I can import from Dropbox, Google Drive, iCloud, etc. And if I save a document to my phone, it gets saved in iCloud. So let's start there. Initially what will happen is it'll open in this weird view. You'll have to click locations, and then you can pick a file from on top that is in your phone or a file from iCloud. I'm going to pick this big PDF from iCloud. Now you'll see the first thing that Speechify does is it lets me parse the PDF. I can decide that these pages I don't want to read, and in fact some of these pages have a footer or a header that I don't want. So for example, here there's a footer, so I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to actually crop it away from every single one of the pages, so that way I'm never bothered by it. I can click done and then create PDF. So now it's going to take it a couple of seconds to actually parse, so I'm going to have to wait for, let's say, 10 seconds, and I'll show you how long it takes in my case. Okay, so now the book is done. I'm going to click
Introduction. The definition of a parable is that of a simple story used to illustrate a lesson or moral.
Or I can listen to it in original mode, in which case I can actually see the PDF and watch the words. Okay, so that's how to upload a document from iCloud. Let's say I want to upload a document from Google Drive.